right?
Yes, they just eat and sleep while staying warm in their cozy little nest. Then, the mother kicks them out of the nest to help them learn to fly and catch food.
Wow. It's good to have a mother to take such good care of them. How long do they stay with their mother?
Birds in general stay about 3 months, which is 12 weeks.
Susie, do you see anything else out there?
Yes. Can you see the fish?
Oh, yes. I see it's jumping out of the water.
Yeah. Did you know that salmon fish lay their eggs in gravel and then the mother dies? When the eggs hatch, they're all on their own. How sad. They have no mother to care for them, much like the spiders.
Susie, what is that crawling up the wall behind you? What is that?
Where? Oh, it's a tarantula. I had better be careful.
Yes, be careful. You don't want to get bit by one of those. Oh, it can be very painful and it can make you very, very sick.
Did you know that tarantula eggs are stored in a burrowed area that is a silk-lined sac for about 2 to 3 weeks, and then they hatch? Then they stay inside that sac while they are growing.
What are the babies called?
Baby tarantulas are called hatchlings or spiderlings, and after 6 to 8 weeks, they are on their own.
Well, Susie, do you see any other big animals out there?
Yes, I see in some bushes across the river a big furry lion.
Is he the one? Is he the one? Is he the one making all that roaring noise?
Yes, they make that loud roar to tell other male lions that this is their territory, the home where all his family lives. He is warning other daddy lions to stay far away.
Lions look furry and cuddly, but be careful because they are not friendly to people.
No, they are not. But did you know? Lions live with their mother until they are about 2 years old. By then, they are able to defend themselves and hunt for their own food.
You're right. That is interesting and fun to see these animals from a safe distance.
I just love to come to this cave and look at the animals.
Oh, look at that big animal across the stream. Good thing he's far away from the lion.
Yes, I see it too. It's an elephant. Wow, they sure are big and loud. Do you know that a baby elephant lives with its mother for 16 years before he goes out on his own?
Wow, that is almost like you and me.
Yes, Mama told me I would live with her and Daddy until I'm 18 to 21. And then I will be an adult. Speaking of Mommy, I hear her calling. I had better go.
Yes, Susie, it is always good to come when your mother calls. It is good to obey because your mommy and daddy know what is best for you, and they provide food and a safe place to sleep. Goodbye, Susie.
Goodbye, my friend.